Hello everyone, this is the week of May 4th through 8th. We're talking about the reform movements of the 1800s. So, here's our weekly overview. The topic is the reform movements of the 1850s and beyond. The essential question you need to be able to answer is, how have reform movements improved the lives of Americans? On Monday, May 4th, you're going to be reading Chapter 18 and taking Cornell notes on teams. You're going to read Chapter 18, setting the stage, in sections 1, 2, 5, and 6. You're going to take Cornell notes on those sections. If you want to challenge yourself and read about the other sections 3 and 4, go ahead, but they're not required. We want you to know about these reform movements that started in the 1850s. This is going to be due on Monday, May 4th on Teams. Note, there's going to be a video guide for how to take Cornell notes. You can find it in the description of this YouTube video, or you can find it up top in the annotations. Now on Tuesday, May 5th, you're going to be listening to a speech by Sojourner Truth called Ain't I a Woman? You're going to listen to her speech and add images to help you understand what she's saying. We want you to know about her views on slavery, ending slavery, and women's rights. This will be due on Thursday, so that's May 7th on Teams. On Wednesday, you're doing something similar. You'll be listening to Frederick Douglass's speech, What to the Slave is 4th of July. Like Truth, you'll have a PowerPoint that you'll be adding images to his speech to understand what he's saying, so that you can understand his views on abolition, that's ending slavery, and America in the 1800s. This is also due on Thursday, May 7th. Alright, on Thursday, you get a work day. So any incomplete work you may have, do it now. That could be your Cornell notes from Monday, Ain't I a Woman for Tuesday, or What to the Slave is 4th of July from Wednesday. Alright, on Friday, May 8th, you have a reform movement protest sign. We want you to read about a reform movement in history and create a protest sign to express your views had you been there. On the right, you're going to be also using a resource list. So look through that and find a topic that you're interested in and become an expert on it. We want you to see the range of reform movements from across history and express what that movement was advocating for. You'll be creating your protest sign on a PowerPoint on Teams. This is due on Friday, May 8th. So to wrap up the week, come back to this lesson activity checklist to make sure you have everything done. That would be your Chapter 18 Cornell notes, your Ain't I a Woman speech PowerPoint, your What to the Slave is 4th of July PowerPoint, and the Reform Movement protest sign. Some additional notes for you. We assign due dates to keep you on schedule. You may submit work later in the week if needed, but stay on top of your work. The Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday assignments may take more than 30 minutes each. You have a work day on Thursday to finish any incomplete work you may have. Look for conferencing announcements on Teams, and as always, you can email your teachers with any questions you may have. Alright, hope you have a good week, and we'll see you all later.